Did you know that ethical hackers can earn more than $100,000 per year while helping organizations protect their data? In this video, you'll learn what it takes to become an ethical hacker in 2025 and why this field is crucial in today's digital landscape. As cybersecurity threats continue to rise, the demand for skilled ethical hackers is projected to increase by 35% in 2025 to protect sensitive information. Ethical hacking has never been more urgent than it is today. Cybersecurity is no longer just an afterthought. It's a critical component of any business strategy. Without ethical hackers, companies are left vulnerable to attacks, and the consequences can be devastating. In recent years, we have seen massive breaches, identity theft, and financial losses, all of which could have been prevented or mitigated with the help of skilled ethical hackers. The stakes are high, and it's time we take action. The good news is that with the right skills and training, anyone can become an ethical hacker and make a real difference. In today's digital landscape, ethical hackers are the true heroes of the cybersecurity world. They are the ones who put themselves in the shoes of cybercriminals to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses, and then use that knowledge to develop strategies to prevent attacks. It's a high-stakes game where one wrong move can have catastrophic consequences. But with the right mindset and skills, ethical hackers can outsmart even the most sophisticated attackers. The need for ethical hacker is clear, but what's not always so clear is how to get started in this field. The importance of ethical hackers cannot be overstated. As our lives become increasingly digital, the need for cybersecurity experts who can protect our information and systems will only continue to grow. So, what can you do to become a top ethical hacker? Experience is key to becoming a top ethical hacker. To gain meaningful experience in the world of ethical hacking, it's crucial to dive into hands-on activities that challenge and enhance your skills. Start by participating in Capture the Flag competitions, where you can simulate real-world hacking scenarios and test your problem-solving ability against others. Internships are another fantastic way to gain practical experience. Seek opportunities with cybersecurity firms or IT departments that allow you to work on actual security projects. Additionally, consider joining bug bounty programs on platforms like HackerOne or BugCrowd. These programs enable you to hunt for vulnerabilities in well-known companies' systems and get rewarded for your findings. By continuously engaging in these practical experiences, you'll not only build your technical skills, but also develop a strong ethical mindset and industry connections. Don't forget that certifications are your golden ticket to validate your skills and standing out in the crowded field of ethical hacking. Earning a certification like the Certified Ethical Hacker from EC Council not only demonstrates your proficiency in identifying and addressing security threats, but also signals to potential employers that you have the dedication and knowledge to tackle complex cybersecurity challenges. For those seeking a hands-on, immersive experience, the Offensive Security Certified Professional certification is highly regarded in the industry. It involves a rigorous, practical exam that tests your ability to think and act like a hacker. Achieving these certifications can open doors to exciting career opportunities, increase your credibility, and keep you at the cutting edge of cybersecurity knowledge and practices. One of the most exciting things about ethical hacking is the variety of career paths. Whether you are interested in working as a penetration tester, a bug bounty hunter, or a security consultant. There is a place for you in this field. And the best part is you don't need a background in computer science or cybersecurity to get started. With the right training and mindset, anyone can become an ethical hacker. The key is to understand what skills are in demand and how to develop them. It's about being willing to learn, adapt, and take on new challenges. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced IT professional, there is a place for you in this field. The question is, what's holding you back from getting started? With the right mindset and skills, you can make a real difference. You can be the one who helps prevent the next major breach, or who develop a new tool to fight against cybercrime. The possibilities are endless, and it all starts with taking that first step. You can be part of this critical field, making a real difference in a digital world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check other videos on cybersecurity tips and tricks and leave a comment about your thoughts on becoming an ethical hacker.